In this video, Ulrick and Short and Silverson have teamed up to talk about how to make clean label plant-based mayonnaise. In a typical mayonnaise formulation, egg is used as an emulsifier, which ensures that the product is stable and that the oil and aqueous phases do not separate or break. It also helps to stop the emulsion from flipping, switching from the desired oil in water emulsion to a water in oil emulsion. For plant-based mayonnaise applications, the egg must be replaced with an alternative emulsifier. In either type of formulation, hydrocolloids such as xanthan or guar gum may be used as stabilizers. Using a range of clean ingredient technologies, Ulrick and Short have developed 3 products which function as both emulsifiers and stabilizers in mayonnaise applications, allowing for both the removal of egg and hydrocolloids, enabling a simple ingredient declaration on the back of pack. Ulrick and Short's ovaprox range replaces egg in a number of different applications, with ovaprox 10, 11 and 12 being developed specifically for vegan mayonnaises. These products have specifically been developed for different oil concentrations and are critical to achieving the desired texture and mouthfeel in the final product. Silverson offers a range of equipment suitable for the manufacture of mayonnaise, from laboratory or pilot scale mixers up to production models. They also offer a mayonnaise plant suitable for the ready-to-use market. It's ideal for batches of up to 100 kilos. Firstly, let's take a look at the pilot scale high viscosity inline mixer. This can be configured as a powder liquid mixer with a small powder feed hopper. We're making a 12 kilo batch of Ulrick and Short's vegan mayonnaise based on ovaprox 10, which is used for 50% oil formulations. First, the aqueous phase is created by using the powder feed hopper to introduce the ovaprox into the water. The mix is recirculated through the mixer until fully dispersed and hydrated. The oil feed valve is then opened. The speed at which the oil is introduced is critical to the formation of the emulsion, and it is important not to flood the mixer with oil. The Silverson high shear mixer rapidly produces the emulsion, forming the desired consistency. The vinegar and mustard are added with the last of the oil. The process with the mayonnaise plant follows the same steps. Here we're making a 70% oil formulation using ovaprox 11. The water is added to the process vessel, and with the mixer recirculating, the powders are added. Once hydrated, the oil incorporation begins. The mayonnaise plant is configured for optimum oil addition speed. The sugar and salt are added in last. If added too early in the process, these ingredients can compete with the ovaprox for free water and alter the texture of the mayonnaise. The Silverson mixer dissolves the salt, sugar and any other seasonings in a fraction of the time taken by conventional mixers. At the heart of the mayonnaise plant is a high viscosity inline mixer. This can also be supplied as a standalone unit, which can be fitted to existing vessels for larger batches. An agitator is recommended to ensure in-tank uniformity. Silverson offers mixers suitable for the production of mayonnaise from 10 to 500 litres. In addition, a full range of equipment from laboratory scale to full production is available for other applications, meaning the results obtained in the laboratory can easily be reproduced on the production floor. Ulrick and Short offer a range of clean label functional proteins, starches, fibers and flours that are used in a wide range of applications, including plant-based sauces. Contact Ulrick and Short for ingredient and formulation support, or for assistance with equipment specification, get in touch with Silverson today.